Meet Mr. Jack, a factory owner. Around 7 months ago, he was struggling a lot to keep his energy costs low. Despite trying various methods, Mr. Jack couldn't find an efficient solution to his energy woes. One day, while he was surfing the web, he stumbled upon O'Brien Energy, a reliable provider of high-quality boiler economizers to increase energy efficiency. Initially, Mr. Jack was skeptical, however, he decided to give it a try. Right away, he browsed at o'brienenergy.com.au and called 1300771759 and bought a high-quality boiler economizer from them. To his surprise, the economizers worked like magic, significantly reducing his energy costs and increasing his profits. The installation process also was hassle-free and the customer service was top-notch. Their economizers were reliable, durable and cost-effective, making them ideal for those who wanted to help the environment. Mr. Jack was impressed by the results and recommended O'Brien Energy to his fellow business owners, and soon, the word spread like wildfire. If you're also seeking a reliable provider of high-quality boiler economizers, end your search at O'Brien Energy now.